I thought I would have a little jam session to get in a better mood, because I know it'll help me. And I thought I'd record a little bit of it, so yeah. And no, I haven't had anything to drink. I just love this song. Someone jam with me, damn. Oh, I'm early. Oh wait, then I wasn't true love, never mind. I really seem like I'm drunk, but I swear I'm not.